Good morning, children. I'm Pallavi. In the previous topic, we talked about various specialized agencies of United Nations. Now, we are going to discuss the other specialized agencies of United Nations. First of all, we'll discuss about IMF. The full form of IMF is International Monetary Fund. IMF is an international organization that observes the global financing system. It looks after the exchange rates of the currencies of different countries and also looks after the balance of payments as well as offers financial and technical assistance. The headquarters of IMF is located at Washington, D.C. in United States of America. The another agency of United Nations is World Bank. The World Bank is responsible for providing finances and advice to the countries for the purpose of economic development and eliminating poverty. It lends money to member nations to help them in projects like dams, power plants, and railways. It came into formal existence on December 27, 1945. The headquarters of World Bank is located at Washington, D.C. in United States of America. Let's talk about ITU, that is International Telecommunications Union. It is the leading United Nations agency for information and communication technologies. It is helping the world in three core sectors: radio communication, standardization, and development. The headquarters of ITU is located at Geneva in Switzerland. The another agency is IAEA. Its full form is International Atomic Energy Agency. IAEA is a specialized agency of United Nations which seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy, to prevent the use of nuclear energy for military purposes. The IAEA's programs encourage the development of the peaceful applications of nuclear technology and to prevent its misuse. Its headquarters is located at Vienna in Austria. Some of the major achievements of the United Nations are: the most important achievement of the United Nations so far is that it has prevented the Third World War. It was largely due to the efforts of United Nations that the Arab-Israel War, the Indo-Pak War, the North Korea-South Korea War, the Iran-Iraq War, and the Gulf War were not spread to other parts of the world. The United Nations has succeeded in stopping these wars from becoming the world wars. The United Nations to a large extent has succeeded in checking the spread and use of nuclear weapons. The role of United Nations in providing relief to the poor and the underprivileged is well known. The UN has been successful in the reduction of poverty, illiteracy, and disease in many parts of the world. Let's recall what we have learned today. IMF looks after global financing system and exchange rates of the currencies of different countries. World Bank lends money to member countries. ITU helps the world in radio communication, standardization, and development. IAEA's programs promote the peaceful application of nuclear technology. UN has prevented the Third World War. UN has reduced poverty, illiteracy, and disease in many parts of the world.